got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old thoughts, I'm
Hey guys! Welcome to our first vlog. It's me, Christine.
It's me, Jasmine.
It's me, Shalyn.
And we are the Tres Marias.
So for today's video guys ay gagawa kami ng challenge. Ang challenge na ito ay
Bawal Tumawa Challenge.
at meron nga po kami dito almost ang imot-mot kapag tumawa. And yun na nga, and let's start.
Sound kapag kinikilig. Sound ng hayop.
Next round.
Sound ng unusual hayop.
Okay, next.
Sound ng ginagawa ng fellow Marias. Jasmine.
Amin ba?
Nangyari pala to. Shalyn. Kristen.
Charge ka charger. Kasi nga di ka charger. Red.
Sounds kapag umiiyak.
Next yan. Next yan. Nima yan. Nima.